A strong nation is built on the roots of a powerful economy. The NDA government, under the able leadership of Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, has introduced a series of path-breaking economical reforms to fast-track India's march of progress. India has risen from a $2 trillion economy in 2014 to $3.3 trillion economy in 2022 and is poised to reach $5 trillion by 2025, which is a remarkable growth in the GDP under the NDA government. As a result of the sweeping economic reforms implemented across the country, the per capita income in the country has increased from $1,574 in 2014 to $2,312 in 2022. The economic reforms undertaken by Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi have made India an attractive destination for foreign investments. Since 2014, the inflow of investment in India has risen from rupees 1,27,609 crores to rupees 3,83,055 crores in 2020, displaying the high degree of trust foreign investors have on the Indian economic system. In order to promote financial inclusion for all, availability of banking services and credit facilities for all Indian citizens, the BJP-led NDA government launched the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. This unique program raised the Indian population under the banking sector from 53% to 80% by the year 2017. As a direct result of this, many citizens could access much-needed financial services, insurance services, pension services and loan services, leading to the implementation of various policies such as Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Yojana, Atal Pension Yojana and the Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana. Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana is a life insurance policy aimed at providing coverage to Indian citizens and their families in reducing the hardships faced due to the death of an earning member. The success of this policy is reflected by the number of enrollments in the initiative, which in 2019 stood at 6,548,934. During the worst of the COVID pandemic, 1.2 lakh claims worth 2,403 crore rupees were settled. Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana was launched by the NDA government to protect the citizens of India and their families against accidental death or disability. A comprehensive risk coverage for accidental death and full disability is 2 lakh rupees. In case of partial disability, coverage is up to 1 lakh rupees. The scheme insures Indian citizens, especially the poor, in case of debilitating accidents, which is why the scheme is available at yearly premium of 12 rupees only. In 2019, 10 crore 40 lakh 83,108 citizens had enrolled for this policy, and as of May 2021, 82,660 claims worth 1,629 crore have been settled. With the intention of securing the future of the poor, Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi launched the Atal Pension Yojana. As of 2019, 57,12,362 people have secured their retirement under this scheme and would receive monthly pensions ranging from 1,000 rupees to 5,000 rupees after the age of 60. The NDA government's encouragement of Indian job seekers to job creators has resulted in the creation of the Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana. The scheme encourages entrepreneurships by providing loans for micro, small and medium enterprises under 3 categories. A total of 5 crore 37 lakh 95,526 aspiring entrepreneurs have availed 3 lakh 31,402.20 crore rupees in funding to secure their future and in turn create more jobs. The introduction of goods and services tax by the NDA government has reduced the cascading effects of the other indirect taxes. A remarkable effect of GST has been the increase in tax base, amounting to the GST collections of rupees 1,67,540 crores. In order to encourage honest taxpayers, Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi launched transparent taxation honoring the honest, owing to which the number of people filing income tax returns has increased by 2.5 crores. As pro-business measure, the NDA government reduced the corporate tax to 22% in order to encourage foreign companies in setting up manufacturing units in India, and reduced the same to 15% for domestic manufacturing companies. This initiative has brought about a record 4,000 listed companies paying 1.9 lakh crore in taxes. Since the inception of the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code law by the NDA government, 359 cases have been resolved, with a realizable value of more than 2 lakh crore for creditors. The Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has amalgamated public sector banks, creating business of over rupees 8 lakh crore, and ensured large-scale growth of banks, which can compete globally. Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi's idea of minimum government, maximum governance is reflected in NDA government's rigorous pursuit of the disinvestment process. Of a list of 36 public sector units in order to make the public sector more capital efficient and profitable. This has been done so as to channelize the funds in better developmental works. With a series of economic reforms focused on a better now and a prosperous tomorrow, the NDA government under the leadership of Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has resulted in the growing faith of foreign investors in India's governance and economy. India is on track to achieve its ambitious objective of becoming an economic superpower. The unprecedented growth in GDP, which India is slated to observe, will not only help eradicate poverty in India, but also help achieve the aspirations of India's youth and make the nation prosperous.